Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your profile picture in Trello. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your profile picture, just simply open your Trello application and tap into these three bars into top left corner. From there, go to settings, and now after going into settings, you will get to see this profile and visibility option under general. Just simply tap into profile and visibility, then it will lead you to your browser. Now after coming into this browser, you will get to see your Trello profile. Now just simply tap into this profile picture icon into the top right corner, and from there tap into manage accounts. Now after coming into this manage accounts section, you will get to see this profile of yours. Just simply tap into profile picture and then tap into add profile photo option, or you can create initials avatars. I'm just simply selecting this add profile photo option and tap into this upload a photo or click a photo for your Trello. And after selecting the photo or clicking the photo, tap into upload button, and after that your profile picture will successfully be added to your Trello account. This way you can easily change your profile picture in Trello. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.